Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best oil filters for synthetic oil that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the FRAM Ultra-Synthetic XG 1060 oil filter. This product is ideal for those seeking long-lasting protection for their vehicle's engine with up to 20,000 miles of proven reliability. The standout feature here is the ultimate dual-layer synthetic media, which provides exceptional filtration efficiency, capturing over 99% of dirt and debris. It's compatible with all motor oil types, making it versatile for various vehicles, whether you're driving an older model or a newer one. In terms of design, it comes with a painted exterior and offers a sure-grip, non-slip surface, making installation and removal straightforward, even for DIYers. The silicone anti-drain back valve ensures superior engine protection, particularly during cold starts, while its robust, high-nitrile gasket enhances durability against extreme temperatures. The filter dimensions are slightly larger, at 4 by 4 by 4 inches, accommodating vehicles with larger oil filter requirements. While the FRAM XG 1060 offers solid performance at an affordable price, the larger size may not fit smaller or compact vehicles, so check compatibility before purchasing. It's an excellent choice for those who prioritize reliability over luxury features. The slightly lower customer rating compared to others in this lineup places it at rank number 5, but it still remains a strong contender for synthetic oil users looking for dependable protection. Coming in at rank number 4 is the FRAM Ultra-Synthetic XG9688 oil filter, which sits at the premium end of this lineup with a price tag of $10.97. This filter is designed for synthetic oil changes lasting up to 20,000 miles, making it a great choice for high-mileage drivers. Its durable dual-layer synthetic media achieves over 99% filtration efficiency, ensuring that your engine remains free of harmful contaminants. Additionally, the advanced silicone anti-drainback valve delivers up to 3x the hot oil resistance, providing superior engine protection during startup. What sets this filter apart is its high temp resistance and advanced construction, including a high nitrile gasket for extended durability. The exterior is painted, adding a touch of refinement, while also helping with installation and removal thanks to the Sure Grip feature. The slightly larger dimensions of 3.1 by 3.1 by 3.6 inches and vehicle-specific fit make it suitable for medium to larger vehicles, but it might not be compatible with compact cars. While the XG9688 excels in premium features and durability, the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. Nevertheless, it's an excellent investment for those who want maximum protection for their engine and prefer a more refined design. The slightly lower customer rating compared to the budget options places it at rank number 4, but it's still a top-notch choice for synthetic oil users who don't mind spending a little extra. At rank number 3, we have the FRAM Ultra-Synthetic XG6607 oil filter, the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $8.90. Despite its lower price point, this filter doesn't skimp on features. It boasts durable dual-layer synthetic media, providing over 99% filtration efficiency to trap dirt and exhaust particles effectively. Its 20,000-mile protection capability makes it ideal for drivers who want reliable engine protection without breaking the bank. The design is compact and lightweight, with dimensions of 2.8 by 2.8 by 2.8 inches, making it a great fit for smaller vehicles. The Sure Grip non-slip surface ensures easy installation and removal, while the silicone anti-drainback valve delivers superior startup protection and combats high heat pressure for longer-lasting performance. The advanced high-nitrile gasket adds another layer of durability to this affordable filter. While the XG6607 is an excellent budget option, its smaller size may not be suitable for larger vehicles. Additionally, while it's highly rated for its value, it lacks the premium feel and advanced features of higher-priced models. Overall, it's a perfect choice for DIYers and budget-conscious drivers who want a dependable oil filter at an unbeatable price. At rank number 2 is the FRAM Ultra Synthetic XG3614 oil filter, a mid-range option priced at $8.97 that delivers premium features at an affordable price. This filter offers 20,000 miles of engine protection and is compatible with all motor oil types, making it a versatile choice for synthetic oil users. Its ultimate dual-layer synthetic media ensures over 99% filtration efficiency, capturing dirt and debris effectively to keep your engine running smoothly. The XG3614 features a silicone anti-drainback valve for superior startup protection, along with a sure grip surface for easy installation. Its dimensions of 3.43 by 3.43 by 4 inches make it suitable for medium-sized vehicles. The machined exterior adds a robust feel to the design, while the advanced resin material enhances durability. With a weight of just 0.01 ounces, it's lightweight yet reliable. While the XG3614 offers an excellent balance of value and performance, its slightly larger dimensions may not fit compact vehicles. However, for most drivers, this oil filter strikes a perfect balance between price and features, earning it the number 2 rank on our list. It's a great choice for those who want premium performance without stepping into the premium price range. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the FRAM Ultra Synthetic XG7317 oil filter, which has earned its spot as the top choice for synthetic oil users. Priced at $8.97, this filter offers exceptional value for its performance. Like others in the lineup, it provides 20,000 miles of engine protection with its ultimate dual-layer synthetic media, ensuring over 99% filtration efficiency. It's engineered for all motor oil types, making it versatile for a wide range of vehicles. The XG7317 features a silicone anti-drainback valve for superior startup protection and a sure grip surface for easy installation. Its compact dimensions of 3.01 by 3.01 by 3.63 inches make it suitable for most vehicles, while its machined exterior adds durability and a premium feel. The advanced resin material and lightweight design further enhance its usability, especially for DIYers. With a customer rating of 4.7 stars and over 20,000 reviews, it's clear that this filter is a fan favorite. The FRAM XG7317 strikes the perfect balance between affordability, performance, and design, making it the ideal choice for synthetic oil users. Its universal fit and high customer satisfaction make it the undisputed number 1 product on our list. Whether you're driving a newer model or an older vehicle, the XG7317 is reliable, effective, and easy to install. A true winner in every category. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.